Using wool for promises. I will walk the dog. He will fix the car. I will pay you back. I will cheer you up. He will mow the lawn. She will bake a cake. He will host the party. She will help you move. I will inform the team. I will run the errands. She will edit the video. We will clean the house. I will water the plants. I will lend you my book. He will design the logo. I will be there for you. We will paint the fence. He will repair the roof. I will knit you a scarf. They will bring dessert. He will take your shift. She will show you around. She will show you around. We will send the package. We will issue the refund. They will arrive on time. I will pick you up at 6. She will lend you her car. He will buy the groceries. I will organize the files. I will organize the files. She will write the report. She will collect the data. She will book the tickets. We will call you tomorrow. He will build the shelves. He will explain everything. They will bring the drinks. He will mentor the interns. She will organize the trip. They will provide feedback. She will tutor you in math. She will handle the crisis. I will forward the message. They will be there by noon. He will order the supplies. He will delegate the tasks. He will delegate the tasks. She will supervise the team. He will review the contract. I will proofread your essay. We will update the software. We will look into the issue. She will send you the email. She will call you back soon. She will call you back soon. She will update the website. She will manage the project. We will finalize the details. They will proof the document. They will attend the meeting. We will set up the equipment. They will audit the accounts. She will cook dinner tonight. We will coordinate the event. She will arrange the flowers. I will support your decision. They will join us for dinner. I will answer your questions. They will organize the event. She will oversee the project. I will take care of the baby. He will handle the paperwork. We will contact the supplier. They will decorate the venue. We will respect your privacy. We will monitor the progress. We will provide refreshments. They will plan the itinerary. They will plan the itinerary. They will sing at the concert. They will manage the finances. He will call customer service. They will check the inventory. They will confirm the booking. We will visit you this weekend. She will make the reservations. I will handle the arrangements. They will recommend a solution. He will submit the application. He will summarize the findings. He will translate the document. We will arrange transportation. They will send the invitations. I will schedule the appointment. They will donate to the charity. They will conduct the interview. I will explain the instructions. He will drive you to the airport. We will book the conference room. We will notify you of any changes. We will practice the presentation. I will help you with your homework. We will finish the project on time. We will finish the project on time. He will bring the documents tomorrow.